Hey guys, Running Kimono here. So today's video, we're going to look at some 90% off clearance, up to 90%. Some of this stuff is 75, some of it's 50. And there's a lot going on here. So we're going to just go through things bite by bite. I'm going to show you some tags, some products, what to look out for. And just being a little bit persistent is the key to success with the clearance hunting over at Walgreens. But I have noticed over the last couple of months that a lot of stuff has been showing up at certain stores because I think not as many people are out and about shopping. So if you're a clearance hunter, this is definitely a video for you to watch. And before we take a really big deep dive, if you could please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like this video, it really helps out with the YouTube algorithm. Okay, so the word on the street is that a lot of the summer and the fun or fun in the sun, pool stuff, outdoor stuff to enjoy a really nice summer day will be hitting either 50, 75, or 90 depending on your market. Typically when these markdowns happen, it's between a Saturday to a Tuesday, so it has to be one of those dates. And it's always a year, mileage may vary, so what may be happening up here might be completely different, or what might be happening in like Central Texas will be the identical sale up here in Michigan. So you can't bank that it's always going to be the same. That's what your mileage may vary means. It might be a little different in one region compared to the other. So that's part of this treasure hunt. And I just want to preface that because a lot of people will send me DMs saying, well, it's supposed to be 90% off. You're a liar. No, it depends on your region and what the markdowns are in your specific area. And as I stated earlier, it's like a treasure hunt, so you really have to be persistent to find the gold. So the markdowns will be 50%, and typically how it works is it goes from 50 to 75, and I think it will be jumping to 90. Some regions go from 80 and they don't have the 90, but it always depends. Look in the clearance section, look in the area section. So like they have a staged area for like fun in the sun, beach fun stuff. That area, that's where you'll specifically look, or the clearance area. Be super nice and polite with staff and ask about these markdowns, especially if you have a manager in front of you. They might be able to tell you yay or nay, or provide you with a little bit of information that might help you with your specific region. And definitely use points to pay down for the balance. So grab like, $20 to $50, depending if you really love this fun in the sun sort of stuff, and make it happen so you're paying very little out of pocket. So being persistent is really key. And I'll tell you something, last week when I was in one of these stores I'm not usually at, I found a huge display of there was twice this amount of this cough syrup. And with the IBC coupon, this is a dead deal, by the way. I got all this for free, but if I would have just been like, I'm not looking for any more of this, I give up. But boom, it was right in front of my face, like on a Thursday evening. So I was like, wow. First item that we're going to talk about, and this is actually part of summer clearance. Some stores that have hit 90, I've seen a lot of ladies get this for $1.99. So it is a marriage between Chic and Hello Kitty for this adorable razor kit. And it has a whole bunch of different fun in the sun sort of themes, like her on a dolphin and having fun at the beach. So this guy was $19.99, and in markets that hit 90, I've seen it for $1.99. And this is specifically what the kit looks like. And if you try to look for this stuff online that you're like, oh, I'm going to just buy it all online. Unfortunately, this is in-store only too, because I did look this up online because my store had a couple of these and now they're all magically gone. So I'm out of luck too. This $4 digital coupon, yes, is in fact attaching to this product. The one with the dolphin, the one of her just like staring off into outer space, it isn't. But the dolphin one, which is the summer one, yeah, it is. So at 50% off, a product that's $19.99 is down to $9.99. Using that $4 digital, you would pay $4.99 for this product. Use points, of course. At 75% off, this product at $19.99 is down to $4.99. Using that $4 digital, you're paying 99 cents for this massive razor kit. Like, hi, that's kind of awesome. At 90% off, it would be $1.99. So you're short to use that $4 digital. But if you can find an entire display of like a bunch of them, grab 3 of them for $5.97. That $4 coupon will apply. So you're paying $1.97 for the 3 or 65 cents each. So hopefully you could follow my math. And as stated, it was on an end cap right near the skincare. My store had like a bunch of them and then they all magically disappeared. So I think when they hit 50, just somebody went crazy and took them all. And congratulations, because I wanted a couple. But what I would really suggest, guys, is to even if you're not sure, just grab the one with the dolphin if you can track it down. Get the cashier to scan it for the price. And if it's ringing up 50, 70, or 90, perhaps you can pounce on a deal there because this is just fantastic. Now the Pampers Splashers is down to $1.49, so that's some significant savings right there. I know that will there be any coupons to go with this? Unfortunately, because it is a 12 count and it is a unique type of diaper for swimming, there is none at this time. So sorry about that, guys. Going over into the kids' toy section, a lot of this stuff was 50% off and a lot of it still is 50% off. But I did see some stickers of stuff going even like 75 or 90 in this section. So I'm thinking they're trying to make room for Christmas, so this stuff will start moving quickly. This little doll, I don't know what it is, but it was $1.99. I think the original price was like $5.99 or something like that. And then we have a lot of like slime and stuff like, I don't know if it's part of summer, but this one is $3.99 down to 99 cents. So there's some significant savings right there. Lots of this cutesy stuff too on a big clearance. This is a better shot of it, but lots of slime, that sort of stuff, like, tactile stuff to get your kids to play with. Lots of that. This like pop thing, I guess there's some sort of like toy inside of it. $5.99 and it's down to $1.49. And then 89 cents, this is called Moose Toys. Unfortunately, somebody bought the Moose Toys, so it is gone, but there's the sticker for it. And these Cutie Tooties, this is a 50% off at $4.99. Something you really, really want, get the cashier to scan because maybe the price might be different. And just a whole host of things. And it's a variation of costs from exactly 50% off to a little bit more. That Tic Tac toy is down to $1.29. So I think it might depend on the manufacturer. And then for the boys, we have some Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, this little action hero. $10.99 down to $2.79. Use points, guys. And then various toys for little boys. And all of that stuff is down to, one of them is 50% off, and the other one is, I don't know, $11.99 down to $8.99. Wait for that one. And then this little guy, 50% off at $4.99. So, look through that toy aisle, especially if you're looking for like little fun toys for birthday parties or even possible early, buying for Christmas. There's a whole lot of stuff. Now this is probably the first toilet paper I have seen in months with an orange sticker, $5.99. And I don't know if Regal is made in the USA or what the story is, but I think it's one of these stories that a lot of these pharmacies have been stocking up of a lot of toilet paper, and it's just not moving, so they're like, we're going to start clearing some of this. So this guy is $5.99, but if you remember from the weekly ad, we have Cottonelle and Viva for $5.99. So is it really the biggest savings? I tell you something, if this was 50% of the cost or 75, I definitely would have bought it. But at this cost, I just left it in the store. And then we have the Shea Moisture. This is a face mask, 75% off from $11.99 down to $3.59. Always look for peelies or coupons in your digital coupons folder. Maybe you might get lucky. And then the Soap and Glory, which is a really top-notch brand, $12 down to $7.79 for this lotion. And it looks like there's a good amount of it in this bottle. Okay, so this company, I've never really heard of them, but I think this is supposed to be very similar to a Dr. Bronner's, like that Castile soap. And this is 50% off, which is a really great price point, and this was a massive bottle. And the Eco Tools, $1.79. Earbuds for $3.59. EOS for $2.69. That is still kind of pricey in my book. More ladies stuff, including the Revlon hair color for $2.69. I think there might be some manufacturers for that. And then that more expensive XO or whatever it is, that company, there's some sort of lavender shampoo at 50% off. And towards the pharmacy, or it might be It's usually closer to the pharmacy. They have the clearance section, and I think it's for people that have to wait for a prescription or something like that. If they're floating through the store, that's typically where it is, or on an end cap, just to give you an idea, but it's closer towards the pharmacy. This little guy, Airborne, it reduces stress and blah, blah, blah. 75% off for $4.24. I think there was a dollar manufacturer for that floating around somewhere. And this is some sort of feminine care. I don't think this guy really took off, and it's 75% off for $1.99, and it's like a wash for the ladies. And just some sort of like how to organize your desk. I think this was from the springtime. $9.99 down to $6.99. It's still kind of expensive. We have some really inexpensive wine for $8.29. The final aisle in the back to school section, like where they have the stationery and stuff, we have some putty down to $1.99, so that's 50% off. If you're homeschooling, you might want to look through this aisle. We have another type of putty for 49 cents, so that hit 90. So that's a really excellent price point. We have some poster board as well for 44 cents, so that's another 90% off item. So that area with the pens, back to school stationery, look through it if you're looking for this stuff. And we have another 90% off item, which is this Elmer's glue. So as always, guys, thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, guys.